are the Simula Party List, a team united by one purpose. And now, let us introduce the people who stand behind this vision. For President, yours truly, I am Hannah Claire Gonzaga Pacolor. And for our Vice President, we have Gianna Aran. For our Secretary, we have Mitch Alexa Hilburion. And for our Treasurer, we have Maria Pumawat. For our auditors, we have Zaira Racho. And for our Public Information Officer, we have Jillian Navales. For our Peace Officer, we have Clever Limbarok. And for our representatives, starting with the grade 7 representative, we have Cyberil and Dar. For our grade 8 representative, we have Gabriel Bukod. For our grade 9 representative, we have Chelsea Laran. And for our grade 10 representative, we have Nigel Ilisan. For our grade 11 representative, we have San Pedro Azea. And for our grade 12 representative, we have April Rarama. And that's all for Simula Party List. Thank you.